I go to Newington College, and this workshop has been a really great experience for me, and also the leaders in Newington College. One of my biggest takeaway was learning the little things, like the monkeys, and how to be grateful for the little things in life. So this workshop really helped me see them clearly. The virtual experience, even though I know it would have been like really great if it was face to face, it was really enjoyable, especially those breaks with us doing the running and stuff. It was really engaging and had a lot of energy into it. And I think all schools should take the initiative to be a part of this workshop, because it really helps you not only for leadership in like game plans for the school, but also teaching you and training you in what to do in life.
We've just had 2 mornings with Dan, working through some leadership activities and sessions with our new year 12s. The boys were really engaged. What I really appreciated was the opportunity to work with Dan beforehand to create a tailored workshop for our boys. And so the boys came out of this knowing the vision and the goals that they would like to achieve over this year, which I think was an amazing opportunity. What I really appreciate is the fact that Dan did a lot to make sure that it was highly engaging for the boys. Lots of different things that they're involved with, lots of really interesting ways of sharing information. And I think that, while face-to-face is always the ideal, I think this was probably the next best thing. So I would recommend that you work with Dan, both in the virtual sense and in face-to-face.